everyone, my name is Adobe and this is my BEAUTYBEEZ takeover. Today I'll be showing you how to layer edges using TGIN's Smooth and Hold Edge Control, which you can purchase here at BEAUTYBEEZ. So it's really simple. You just want to use a brush or a comb like this and brush your hair back. It's a trick that I like to use. So you want to make sure that your hair is already laid down. And then you take a small amount of TGIN's edge control and then you apply it to your edges. You can use your fingers to run it through as well. And then you use the brush as a follow-up and brush it back. And it's really that simple. So you can add as much as you like, or a small amount, and that will take care of it. So thank you all for watching. I hope these tips helped you lay your edges. See you next time.